Hello, I'm Brian Enquist, Teacher Training Department Manager for Pearson in Spain and Portugal, and I would like to invite you to our latest series of webinars, which will be taking place this month. These free online training sessions will be particularly useful for primary teachers of English, interested in helping their pupils become successful in English language and multilingual learning. On Tuesday, April 24th, author, lecturer, and trainer Susan House will be sharing with us the IDEAS framework, a successful approach for supporting students as they deal with both content and linguistic needs in CLIL environments. On Wednesday the 25th, we will be joined by Elizabeth Beer, who is the Director of Studies at Highland Language Center in Madrid. Elizabeth will be looking at how to equip primary students to be better readers and provide us with a wealth of practical ideas which make reading not only more effective, but fun as well. And finally, on Thursday the 26th, teacher trainer for Pearson, Elena Marino, will show us how practical assessment for learning techniques such as target setting, feedback, and self and peer assessment can be employed to make your language learners more independent and successful. So join us for Success at Primary on April 24th, 25th, and 26th. For more details or to register for the sessions, please go to webinars.pearson.es. Thank you and hope to see you there.